Welcome to Poe Designs. Today I want to show you really quick how to create a mock-up for your SVG file on a shirt in Silhouette Studio. I'm using Silhouette Studio, the business edition. In this software, I'm allowed this. It's possible for me to save it as a PNG file. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File and open my mockup image. My mockup image is up here somewhere. Okay, right shirt. I'm going to open it. Okay, it comes in. And I will make my page set up. I'm going to put my page the same like the image. I'll go to media size, I'll select it, I'll go to custom, and then change it. It's 6.667. Okay, and I'll go back here to 6.7. Okay, and then I will put this exactly here. Okay, I will open my file. Actually, I will merge my file into here. File, merge. I'll bring it in, and this is my file. Okay, it's really big. I'll select it. And then I'll make it smaller. Stand in the corner and make it smaller. And place it here. I'll take the red line out. Okay, and then I'll save it as a PNG. File, save as. I'll save it to my hard drive, my computer. And I will name it basketball mom. And like I said, in my computer, mockups are made with MKP behind them. But because I have one of these mockups already, I will add an extra P to it. Okay, and then I will save it as the PNG type. Okay, and you will have this. You can change this one to 300, and they say transparent background. Actually, we don't really have a background here. I click transparent, but we don't have a background, and I click save. Okay, and then I can go in my computer, and here it is. You see? MKPP. Here it is. So this is how you create a mock-up for your t-shirt in Silhouette Studio. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your craft friends. Thank you. Bye.